This is thoracic cars. To begin, you're going to bring your knuckles together, and your thumbs are going to be underneath your chin. Elbows are going to be close to the body. From here, what we are doing is creating a circular pattern using our mid-back. So with our elbows here, that will keep our lower back from moving too much, and our thumbs will keep our head in a neutral position so we're not just doing it with our neck. So we're here, nice and locked in tight. We're going to rotate around to the left, rolling forward, over to the right, and come back over to the left. We can do the same thing in the opposite direction, shifting back and over to the right, rolling forward, all the way back over to the left.